Today's lesson is about nouns. In this lesson, we're going to define what nouns are. We're going to define the types of nouns. And we're going to declassify nouns, whether they're abstract, concrete, and we're going to also discuss the simple nouns versus compound nouns. But first, why do we use nouns? Now, we use nouns to create interest in your writing with using precise nouns. So nouns, by definition, they refer to a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. So any word that refers to a person, place, thing, or idea is called a noun. Let's take an example of boy. Boy refers to a person, therefore boy is a noun. Woman. Woman is a word that refers to a person, therefore it's a noun. Mountain. Mountain refers to a place, therefore it's a noun. River. A word that refers to a place, therefore it's a noun. You can refer to table as a thing. A word refers to a thing, therefore it's a noun. Liberty is an idea, therefore it's a noun. So all words that refer to a person, place, thing, or noun or idea is called a noun. Now, what are the types of nouns? We have two types: concrete nouns and abstract nouns. And it's very important to understand the difference between them because sometimes they refer to concrete as abstract and abstract as concrete. So let's start with concrete nouns. Nouns that are concrete are the ones that name people, places, or things. And they are words that you usually see or touch. Right? So when I refer to clouds, clouds are things that I can see. Therefore, clouds are concrete. If I refer to paper, paper is a thing that I can see and touch, therefore concrete, therefore paper is concrete. The other part of nouns is called an abstract noun. Now, an abstract noun usually names ideas or qualities or characteristics. For example, if I say bravery, now this is something that you cannot just see it, but you can just, it's a quality that someone have. Therefore, bravery is an abstract noun because you cannot touch or see it. You can just sense that it's there, but you cannot use the sight or hearing to be able to understand it. Another example is the idea of freedom. Freedom also is an abstract noun because it's only an idea. In addition to abstract and concrete nouns, we can classify them as common nouns or proper nouns. Now, we already know that nouns that are common can name any person, anything, or any place, or any idea, or any quality. So, any mountain in the world is a common noun. However, if I want to refer to a specific mountain, so let's say I want to refer to K2 mountain, therefore it's a specific mountain, we call it a proper noun, and it's capitalized all throughout, or at least the first letter of the word. So if I say For example, sister. Any sister can be a sister. But if I say Maya, referring to my sister, so this is specific to my sister is Maya, therefore Maya is a proper noun. In addition to that, we have compound nouns. Compound nouns are nouns that include more than one word. As with any noun, a compound noun names a person, place, or thing, or idea, or quality. Compound nouns can consist of one word, they can be two words, or words that are hyphenated. Let's take an example of one word compound noun. You can have the word turtleneck, office holder, or onlooker. So in these cases, you have two nouns that are joined, onlooker, office holder, and turtleneck. In terms of two words, there's a space between them, first aid, coffee roll, sleeping bag. There are also hyphenated words like ambassador at large with the hyphen between them, because you have here a preposition between ambassador and large, babysitter, and sister-in-law. Now, many would ask, how would I know whether we have hyphenated words or not? Usually, many words you're used to when you read, you know them from when you read them. But many would need a dictionary to make sure that we need either a hyphen or we need a space between them. Now, collective nouns are nouns that name group of people or things. Whenever you have a group of people, a group of things that consist one entity, then we call them collective noun. Example, group. It's a collective noun referring to a lot of people together, collectively. Family is a collective noun. Team is a collective noun. Committee is a collective noun. So all nouns that refer to many items included in a group, then it's called a collective noun.